Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the right note and color for your goal. This matters because color codes speed recognition. Once chosen, press the pad to your thumb and peel one note straight off the top to avoid curling. Make sure the adhesive edge stays intact. That ensures a smooth stick. If you're creating multiple notes, write short, actionable phrases now rather than full sentences so they're easy to scan and act on later. You write concise prompts, 3 to 5 words, so your brain recognizes the task instantly. This is faster than long sentences. Once written, align the adhesive edge to the surface and press from that edge outward to remove air pockets, which helps the note stay flat. Make sure to position notes where you naturally look, on the monitor, fridge, or notebook. If you need sequencing, number them 1, 2, 3 so you follow the intended order. You complete tasks by checking off or removing notes when done. This keeps your workspace focused and prevents backlog. Once in a while, lift and restick a note with a solid press to reactivate the adhesive and make sure the surface is clean. Oils and dust reduce grip. If a note repeatedly falls, move it to a smoother area or replace the pad. This troubleshooting step stops distraction and keeps your system reliable for the next batch of reminders.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.